and welcome to TransurfingTV. Today is a big one, 78 days of practical transurfing, day 35, dropping importance, y'all. I've got it tattooed on my body, so I will never, ever, ever, ever forget. This is my daily reminder of what dropping importance does for me, how it affects me in such a wildly positive way that I need to remind myself. I'm pretty good about it now. I am either pretty neutral to stuff, or if I do start to feel elevated levels of importance, I have all my little tricks and things that I do that eradicate it like that. And boy, am I happy for this concept. And I love this tattoo because it is my thought form, right? It keeps me coming back around to what is really valuable in this stuff, and that is lower levels of importance. Everything works so much easier when the importance levels are managed properly. So with that, day 35, dropping importance. And remember, like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love Reality Transurfing to win some of these. All right, dropping importance, day 35. All unbalanced emotions and reactions like indignation, dissatisfaction, irritation, anxiety, worry, depression, confusion, despair, fear, pity, dependency, lust, oversensitivity, idolization, admiration, delight, disappointment, pride, conceit, contempt, repulsion, resentment, and so on, are all the result of overstating the importance of things. Oh God, pendulums hook you up on these strings and turn you into a puppet. Dropping importance does not mean battling with your feelings and trying to suppress them. It means addressing the cause, the underlying attitude. You have to reach the point where you can see that importance leads to nothing but trouble. Then deliberately reduce the importance you attribute to things. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. Problems as such do not actually exist. All that really exists is an artificially inflated evaluation of the importance of things. When a person becomes aware that their problems are illusory, they can intentionally reduce the importance of everything that continuously troubles them. Note though, do not play down their meaning. Just reduce the importance. Watch the game from a distance, soberly and impartially. By reducing importance, you will instantly return to a state of balance, and the pendulums won't be able to control you. In the empty space you free up, there will be nothing for them to hook. This does not mean that you have a heart of stone. Emotions are born of our attitude, and so it is our attitude which should be changed. Feelings and emotions are just an effect. Importance is the only cause. Let's say that in my family there has been a birth, a death, a wedding, or some other significant event. Would the event be important to me? No. I would be indifferent. Would I be indifferent? Likewise, no. Do you get the difference? I would not publicize the event into a problem or drive myself and others around me mad because of it. A strong deviation towards outer importance breeds fanatics, and deviation towards inner importance, idiots. Oh God, this is so fun. Okay, so I love when Vadim says something like idiot. It's just hilarious. Okay, so what is being said here? This is the crux of why I suffered in the past. Did I have actual problems in retrospect? Hell no. I didn't have a single problem. It wasn't even that I had no problems. I had negative problems. I had everything going for me, but I had myself convinced because my importance levels were out of effing control, that I had something wrong in my reality with someone else, with myself, so on and so forth. And now that I've gotten away from so much of that stuff, geographically gotten away, right? I moved, I changed professions somewhat, I made a bunch of changes, but also I just really took a look at my importance levels, where they were at, how they were affecting me, and I lowered all of that stuff down, and sure enough, I've got no more problems anymore. I literally do not have a single problem in my life. I mean, it sucks a little bit that my sister has cancer or is going through cancer treatment now. She's actually been diagnosed that her tumors are subsiding. But, you know, even this is just an event, right? I don't have to apply a bunch of emotions to it, which are not going to help me in the end. The emotional attachment, or the emotions that we attribute to an event or topic or person or whatever, they don't actually produce anything of value. So not only does it not help you, it harms you. It makes you feel as though your life is riddled with problems. And what I like to say is, are you going to remember it in 20 years? Whatever you perceive as a quote unquote problem in your reality right now, are you going to look back on that 20 or 30 years from now and think, oh God, that really was a problem? If not, it's just some mental knot that you've gotten yourself into, and you can untie that knot by lowering your levels of importance. Again, I got this tattooed on my body because I am so overjoyed at what has transpired in my layer of reality since I have learned to adequately manage my importance levels. And I know people call me the queen of transurfing now, but in the past I was the queen of importance. The queen of importance and the queen of inner intention, and it's all changed for me. So, you know, raise the roof, y'all. What are your importance levels like today, and do you need to bring them down? And have you learned to manage your importance levels, and what has it done for you? And would you like some of these transurfing stickers? Please comment in the comment section below. I love Reality Transurfing, and give this video the thumbs up if you do, and I just might send some to you. Thanks. Bye, guys.